Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Education India. In this video I have come with new notification for the recruitment for the post of assistant professor, and this notification has been released by the Jadavpur University located in Kolkata. So in this video I'll be briefly giving a detail regarding the subjects, the number of posts, minimum eligibility, the deadline, how to apply for the post, and what is the deadline. So let's begin with. So here you can see like assistant professor. So only education department they have notified the post. This assistant professor in education, and in total there are three posts. One post reserved for AC category, one post for reserved OBC B category, and last one is one post for unreserved category. So here I would like to mention like those who belongs to OBC category, OBC A especially, or ST category, they can apply for this, or economically reserved higher class, they can also apply for this post. So eligibility, I will state like post graduation degree, let's say MA in arts or science or social science or humanities with minimum 55% marks or equivalent grade, and MEd with minimum 55% marks or equivalent grade. They can apply for this post. In simple language, if you have masters in any arts or science or social science disciplines with MEd, MEd 55% marks, they can apply. Then another criteria is if you have post graduation degree, that is MA in education with minimum 55% marks or equivalent grade, you can also apply. And if you fall in the category like here, like MA in education with minimum 55% marks or equivalent grade, and having B.Ed with minimum 55% marks or equivalent grade. So these are the three criteria. So in simple language, if you have this much qualification, then you are deserving candidate for this post. Number of posts I have already mentioned, like one for SC category, one for OBC B category, and one for unreserved category. And under unreserved category, if you are OBC or if you are ST candidate, you can also apply for this post. Normally what we understand, like for application for the post of assistant professor in university, you need to qualify NET. But in this notification, a special relaxation is there. If the student is registered in PhD or MPhil degree before uh, 2000, 2009 11th July, and if they haven't qualified their NET or SET or SLET, they can apply for this post. But those who have applied in PhD or who are in PhD after this, they need to qualify NET or JRF or SLET or SET. Then another criteria. This is the notification part. The pay scale will look for pay scale, how much they will pay. The pay scale is 57,700 to 1,82,400. And deadline, this is very important. One should remember this. The last date for the application is 30th November 2021, and that too till 12 noon. And after that, no notification, no application will be entertained. Submission process. So in this section I must mention like the mode of application. So in this university they are accepting in offline. That means you have to visit their website, and from the website you have to download PDF application form, and you have to fill up the form. And regarding payment, the good things about this, like you can pay sitting at your home. You no need to go to bank and stand in the queue. You can visit their website, and in the website there is a link for online payment. So offline you have to fill the form, but online you can pay the fee. And notification 5 here, like if you are OBC candidate or SC candidate, you need to update your reservation certificate. And for the time being, if you haven't updated, you can apply, but at the time of interview you need to produce your updated version of caste certificate. And after filling the form, what you have to do, where you have to send, so this is the address. So in the envelope part you have to write to the register, Jadavpur University, Aurobindo Bhavan, 188 Raja SC Maling Road, Jadavpur University, Kolkata, and this is the pin number you have to post. And regarding the how many copies, how many Xerox copies you have to attach. So here is the one original. Original doesn't mean like you have to send your original documents. Rather, when you fill the form, that is the original, and your payment slip original. And beside this, you have to send 7 photocopies. Means each pages you should have 7 copies, and you need to have like self-attested photocopies of all certificate, including NOC. NOC means non-objection certificate, and this is applicable for those who are working. So if you are not working, no need for this. And this is a degree, or this is all about. So this is a very short notifications, and I have covered all these things. So now I would like to take you to their website. So how to download application form. So first I will be closing all this, and let me visit their main website. This is Jadavpur University. So this is the official website. You can go through it, and we have already reached here, Jadavpur University. You can see their website, so nice and so well decorated. So this is the recruitment option. You can click here. Here is also option, you can click also here. So both the link will take you to the destinations. So this is the notification recruitment. I'll click here. Then you can see the notification too. You click here. Then when you click, you will get three here. Click here for details. So you right click here, open link in new tab is open. Then you see. So this is all about the notification. You can personally visit the website. Rather, I will also recommend you to visit the website and read from one page to two page. Only two-page notification you can go, and you can easily read the notification, and you can find what to do and what not to do. Then the next page, this is the application form from where you have to download. So this is the application form. This is the 13 pages application form. You have to read one by one, and you have to very nicely with dedication you have to fill each and every columns and every requirements. Then this is the payment option. If you click in the payment option, you will have this way you have to proceed. Then you have to select your category. This is if you are SC category, you click this one. If you are not SC category, like this way, unreserved OBC category, you click this one. Then it will come in that way. So you have to put everything here, and after putting, if you submit, they will ask for the bank details. So if you put bank details, you will get the drop number, and this drop number will require when you fill the form here. Yeah, here you have to put the number. So this is all about a short video that I have made for you.